Oh, hi there. We're gonna finish up making our window frame today. Now, I had to take apart my air conditioner to get all the leaves and gook out of it. And then we just slipped it all back together and it's ready to go. I'm measuring out the boards for my window frame. And we're gonna use this circular saw to cut them nice and easy. Don't forget to wear gloves and eye protection when you're using this kind of power tool. Measure twice, cut once, friends. That's the lesson. Well, I got that sorted out, so we're gonna cut a couple more boards for the sides of the frame. We're gonna sand them up and get them nice and smooth so they'll be easier to paint later on. Fits like a gem. This one, let's see if it fits up here. It does. Perfect. Now, I'll do this. Right there. Right there. See if they all fit together. Oh yeah. That's gonna work. That's gonna work. Okay. I'm gonna work on drilling some pilot holes here so I can get these boards all fitted together in one big box. Got these huge wood screws. They're a little large, but they'll do the job well. Now I'm working on a cross slat so I can fit my air conditioner perfectly into the frame. Fits. Measure twice, screw it in once, friends. It's gotta go, I just can't get it. Yeah. So I just popped the screws out. We're gonna put one in the center, give it about an 1/8 inch more. Pretty much good, just like that. Now I'm going to attach this frame right into the studs of the wall. Yep, that thing's not going anywhere. And here we go, it's all framed out. That air conditioner fits. We just slipped a 2x4 above it to close the gap.
Two, three.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Gusto.
Happy birthday.